where candles burn low. He watched the heavens drift and glow. The stars turned slow, the planets spun, and he wondered, what if the Earth's not the one? He measured the past, the retrograde gleam, and followed the thought to its daring dream. He moved the sun and stilled the earth, changed forever what the stars were worth. A circle of reason, a spark begun. He stopped the world and moved the sun. No trumpet sounded, no crowds acclaim. He whispered his truth in a scholar's name. Dear Revolutionibus, quiet and deep, he woke the world from its ancient sleep. The center shifted, the order spun, a new world turned, a brighter one. He moved the sun and stilled the earth, changed forever what the stars were worth. A circle of reason, a spark begun. He stopped the world and moved the sun. The old spheres cracked, the heavens sighed, as faith and fear and truth collided. Yet through the storm, his vision won. He moved the earth. He moved the sun. He moved the sun, and still it burns. He changed anew. The circle turns. The dawn began when the night was done. He stopped the world and moved the sun. So raise your gaze when day's begun, and whisper thanks to the one who moved the sun.